Let's go treasure hunting at the Goodwill Outlet Bins. Somebody has a cart full right there. Ooh, those bins look full. Let's see what they got. The top of the shelves look full. If nothing else, they're gonna be able to do some digging today. What is this? That is precious. Oh, is this Ren's size? It is. Oh my goodness, cute little sweater for Ren. Okay, I really don't know if Ryan would wear this, but it is too cute to pass up. So I'm gonna bring it home and see if she wants it. Oh, this pillow is cute. Oh, this is the back of it. Let's see what the other side looks like. Not really my style, but I think this would be pretty for Christmas if you were incorporating this mustard color in your decor. I didn't even notice. It looks like they're about to refill that side of the wall. Hopefully they'll do this one too. These would be cute with some little Christmas trees in it. Corral, microwave and oven safe, so it's like some little bakeware stuff, but you could put a Christmas tree in there, put a little bow, and that would be adorable. Stuffed animals, some more dishes. Here's a big coffee mug. These are the ones I like to drink out of, but I don't need any more. Here's a Santa. He's very light. Pretty sure he's a newer piece, and he has some chips. But I think I can make him look old and cool. I'm gonna add him to the cart. What is this piece? Oh wow, that is an old scale. I think my grandma had one like this. It looks really familiar. Some vases, some plates. Oh, here's some little ornaments. Oh, y'all look. Some little chess pieces. Y'all remember the DIY I did with these little chess pieces? I like the color of these already. Maybe I'll grab them and add them to my stash. So actually, they go with this chessboard that I think is so pretty. This would actually look good hanging on the wall or in the background of a vignette. Okay, I'm gonna get this and the chess pieces. Look at the little horse pieces, how cute. These will look great in my little trinket tree. As soon as I touched this, I knew it was leather. Oh, it's so soft and nice. This is Margot, New York. Very cute black leather bag. What is this? Oh, I think it's a bag, y'all. Let's check it out. Oh, that's cute, and this one is big. So I like these to hang on a hook. You could put floral in it. You could put things that you need. Also, it will look great in a kitchen or a pantry, and you could put onions and potatoes in it. Looks like it's in really good shape. All right, we're almost to the end of these bins, and they have not started refilling the other side yet, which is fine because we have the rest of the store to dig through. They are bringing out new stuff, so let's go check that out. That looks like a pretty blanket. It's cream and navy. It looks handmade. Oh, look at the edges. Got the scalloped edges with the stripe. Okay, I'm gonna look this over if there's no major damage. Oh, it's really big. I think this is gonna come home with me. What y'all think? Y'all like this? Look what I just found. A little crocheted poncho with pom-poms and a hood. Ryan had one of these for her when she was little, and she used to wear it all the time. She was so precious. If I can find a picture of her in this, I will I'll put it up on the screen. I was gonna leave this here, but you know what, I'm gonna rescue this. It's in great condition, and somebody else needs it for their little girl, so this will be in my next vintage drop on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com. Some Thanksgiving stuff in here. Oh, that's heavy. Love the color of this pumpkin. It's from Target. Threshold was $15. Add that to the cart. I have not fully picked up all of my fall yet, so I'll just put it with all the stuff that needs to be picked up. There's some more fall over here. Some little flags. I'll get those. Cute little boutique piece. red cropped vest. Still has the tags on it. Was $42. I'm not sure if Ryan would wear this, but it's adorable. It would also fit me, but I'm also not sure if this is something I'll wear. Anyway, I don't know. It's not going to be expensive, so I'm just going to add it to the cart. Over here, the clothing is paid by the pound, and I believe it's $1.50 a pound. So let's say that piece might cost $1. Ooh, this is cute. Is this her size? Pink hearts. It is her size. Ooh, I'm finding some good stuff for my family today at the Goodwill Bins. Look at this gorgeous piece I just found. Okay, it's a lamp, but look at the base. Amazing, beautiful metal chippy. Can y'all see me taking this apart and putting a Christmas tree in here with this as a base? Gorgeous. This has got to come home with me. Ooh, this bin is packed with goodies. Ooh, wooden shelf. I like the details here, and the peg rack. Okay, that is for sure going in the cart. I actually like the color of it, and it would be pretty if it was chalk painted white and distressed back some of that blue. Some artwork. It's a nice. Ooh, that's wet. Gross. Ugh. Some ticking stripe. What is this? Okay, that's a little child rocker. I'm scared to touch something now. And then they have some rugs and stuff in here. All right, let's check these. Oh, these shoes are cute. Toys. Now is a good time to come find toys at the bins and pick them up for Christmas presents. And clothing right here. They did refill these bins, but I've been distracted for about 30 minutes talking to people. So I haven't dug through these. We need to check them out. But this is new. They don't usually have bins right here. So that's exciting because this is another area to put the things that we like. What is this? Is that a stocking? I think it is supposed to be a stocking. Oh, they got some really nice lampshades up here as well. The last time I came, this was filled with pillows and rugs. Whenever they find them in the bins, they pull them and put them up here. Some little bamboo trays. They're kind of falling apart, so I think I'll leave them, but these are great just to put on a table to protect the top or even hang on the wall. Here's a top hat. There's another one. I think I'm gonna get these. That way if I have a snowman or something that I need a top hat for, or if it snows and we make snowmen, how cute would these be on their little heads? I grabbed this life jacket. I always pick them up when I find one in good shape because we're always needing extra at our camp in Louisiana, and life jackets are definitely not cheap. Okay, I think there's a few more bins I need to look to, and then we got to get out of here because look at this. This cart is full. I was looking at this pillow because this would match in Ryan's room, but I don't think she needs another pillow on her bed. But look how cute. I feel like she needs this on her bed for Christmas. Merry and bright with the blue velvet. Add that to the cart. Ooh, green boots. These are cute for Christmas decor. I guess it doesn't matter what size they are, right? Do I need this? They would look adorable on my front porch. It's like $2 for shoes over here. We'll just add that to the cart. It's like a chippy mirror. Oh no, it's actually a frame. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it's wood. I wish this was all wood and not painted, but it is pretty blue and white. All right, let me get that. Stick it under my arm. Cute pumpkin. It's like a blue mercury glass. Hopefully somebody rescues that. That's pretty. Always have to check out the art section at the Goodwill Bins. I have found some really amazing pieces here. They also usually have mirrors. I'm eyeing this frame right here. It's so pretty, just simple and kind of antique gold. It has a nice matte. I could just paint this pink part right here, put some different art or a picture in it. Only $6. I really like it. The frame, the matte. Yes, I think I'm going to add this to my cart somewhere. All right, I think I need to head out. I don't even have enough room for all the stuff that I got. And my cart is so full, I can't even really do a haul like I normally do and show y'all all of the things that I got. But if you remember everything that I purchased today, leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite item. I will also put a total on the screen of what I spent on this cart full of stuff at the Goodwill Bins. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.